Okurugera haripota yashomwa mukurugu abasirikare 130 abashohozebwa 10 babare abakazi abandi n'abasheje. Abasirikare babiri nibo batarabasize ukeza koseji abasirikare 12 abatandikire okutendegwa. Major General Takirwa yanje kushobora ko mushomogo bakozere n'egendero bitarimo na bimwe na munonga konja kondisa abasirikare aba ihanga ryabo batiza kosebwa enshobe bantu bakora emirimo yabo.
And you have all graduated into commissars who are going to lead their subordinates by sympathy, example, discipline, commitment, listening and seeking advice.
Major General Takirwa yayongera yahanangiriza abasirikare aba okosaje emishara yabo bongere gutekatekera nyensi.
Hati kuba kutunga emishara yabo undi rushango bamurukire kwa kuzikwata kazinywa ngo utakubasa kurara na mwina zimunshaho no kuzinywa mpaka urupapuro rwa muheru rushohire kurwumushaho rira kamanyangu n'ubwari bire napakasa yesa serya swa umweze gundi bwija azerya swa so umwaka gukiza kwa ushanga tayine cyayi nahizoba ryo kutaha hari yataha naho bakakoni abo tayine cyayi yokorire.
Kano Notori Nwagira Director Political Commissar Land Forces Nagirango UPDF ekatandika emishomo HKC kwihabarwa mu kishaka bito mwaka 2017 bakasharamo emishomo niyemwe okujongeramo aman kan nabo kwetorora enkambe zone z'amahe okwetorora ihanga Uganda.
I've been students with political history of Uganda and past challenges. 3. Sharpen skills at arms of students and general weapon handling, to build cadreship and leadership skills of the students.
Gashakwa Sengendo Abdul Karim.